Fishing for me was always more than just an adventure. It was like the first time as a kid trying to sleep the night before going to Disneyland. To this day, I still feel the same and find sleeping the night before a trip very difficult. I love all aspects of fishing, learning from new people I met, teaching friends and family, making new connections and friendships, exploring our northern lakes, and when you get that first bite, it never gets old. I often fish alone and lose track of time, getting away from the traffic, people, and buildings, and all those work-crazy things that happened the day before. They all flow away. I remember the day that fishing caught me. I was 5 years old with a string of perch. That photo still hangs on my wall. I could not imagine a life for me without fishing. So many lakes, so little time. My name is Scott Stewart, Reelistic Outdoors, and I'm addicted to fishing.